Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for September the 1st to September the 3rd reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So I want you to know, Capricorn, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Bakit parang pakiwari mo? Ang hirap-hirap bitbitin ni person or ipaintindi sa kanya, ito yung goal ko dito sa relasyon, which is hindi naman kita ipapahamak, hindi naman kita dadalhin sa isang sitwasyon, no, na magulo. Ang hinihingi mo dito, cooperation. Ang hinihingi mo dito, understanding. Kasi bakit parang ang hina niya umintindi or hirap siyang intindihin kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Ang klaro-klaro naman, no? Although, kahit sabihin natin medyo slow si person, no? Either slow si person or slow yung takbo ng relationship, it doesn't matter. There's something here about the speed which is not on your face, no? Siguro ang pacing natin dito is more of kasi parang sa'yo hindi naman ako nagmamadali, no? Pero nababagalan ako sa'yo, 'di ba? Yung gano'n. Okay naman yung speed for me. Makikita ko dito is parang para akong nanonood ng sine. Yung ngayon, pwedeng sabihin natin na medyo challenging para sa person mo yung maintindihan. But I am seeing that in time, your person is going to understand and probably, no, mag-agree itong person mo sa iyong goal or wanted to achieve or wants to achieve in this connection. So the Five of Cups, so sa'yo parang medyo, and the Page of Wands, parang meron tayong sense of urgency somehow, no? Kasi parang, think of it this way. Kung may sale, sabihin natin the sale sa mall is from, naku, magpapasko na. So, lagi natin ito makikita. So, from, let's say, September 10 to 15, no? Meron bang ganon? September 10 to 15. Basta, let's say, yung ganon, ang date. So, parang sa'yo, minamadali mo, kailangan makaabot doon. Pero, wala tayong, so far, enough budget for that. Kaya gumagawa tayo ng paraan. So, parang ganun yung feeling. Gusto kong makahabol doon sa sinasabi nating deadline. Kaso, itong si person, makulit, you know? With the Page of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Capricorn. So, parang sa'yo, gusto mo nang either lumagay sa tahimik, which is dalhin itong connection sa isang something very intimate, passionate, parang signing of a contract, no? Tinatanong mo siya pero pag tinatanong mo siya, either iba yung sinasagot niya or nililihis yung usapan or walang clarity. Let's say, kailan ba tayo magkakaanak or magkakaanak ulit? Kung may anak na, kailan ba tayo magpapakasal? No? Yung mga ganyan. It may be, those were just the fews. Pero, I believe that there's a lot in here. Let's say, Kailan mo ba ako ipapakilala sa mga magulang mo, 'no? So, parang sa'yo, ano yung mahirap doon sa tanong ko, 'no? Um, Parang sa'yo tuloy mahal ba ako? Napapatanong ka sa sarili, mahal ba ako ni person? The Hermit and the Nine of Pentacles. Wala namang problema, 'no, sa relationship or wala na hindi, kasi the mere fact na naghahanap ka merong issue. Pero sabihin natin may essential na kailangang mangyari for me to be happy, 'no? Yung kumbaga, if siguro ito yung ma-experience ko, I can probably say and confirmly say, 'no, na mahal ako ni person, na para sa akin, 'no, talaga si person. Or siya na panghabang buhay. With the Devil card, I think that there's a lot of controls in here. The Tower, the Magician, and the Five of Swords. Parang sa'yo pinanghihinaan ka ng loob if this is still going to happen. And I think that this is the current, kaya nagpakita itong si Oracle card, no? Na huwag kang paghinaan ng loob. Nandito lang tayo sa pace na medyo not clear, no? Kay person. Pero Capricorn, pasasaan ba? Nakikita ko naman dito yung unique, magkakaroon kayo ng ayoko kasing sabihin, baka sabihin niyo political eh. Pero unity talaga yon, no? Sort of agreement for the both of you, and I hope that this is not political na magkakaaway kayo. But I'm seeing here the unity per se is not on a political side. It's more on the real definition of the unity. Baka naman anuhin nyo ako, no? Again, hindi political ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, relationship, ha? So, don't run for me on it. Nasa news, anong gagawin natin? So, anyway, with the Four of Swords, medyo sinasabi mo lang, baka kailangan mo lang din magpahinga, no? Huwag mo masyadong bitbitin lahat. Sabihin natin, i-relax mo lang yan. Dadating tayo dyan, no? So let's check here the emotion. This could be your person's emotion or your emotion. I can't, not right now. See? You light up my world. So parang nandito naman yung masaya naman ako na nandiyan ka, sabi ni person. Pero parang hindi pa yata ito yung time for me na mapunta doon sa sinasabi mong goal. Pero I am looking at it, I am considering it. Probably not now. It could be soon. It could be in the future. Pero hindi tayo mananatili dito lang, no? So your person's also thinking of it. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Sagittarius, Leo, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo. Did I just say Taurus? No? Yan. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Kapwa Capricorn, no? So, Capricorn, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate on the reading. And then, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili. So, kung hindi po kayo makakatulog sa yes or no na sagot lang, no? Dumiretso na po kayo nun sa ating description box. Sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to the website. Una nyo po makikita is yung question form. Hindi siya kasi kasya sa screen, ibaba nyo lang po ng konti. Nandun po yung QR codes. Sa QR codes, nakalabel naman po siya how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So kung susuma total nyo, oo nga, discounted na yung 4 questions and then may libre pang isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Sa QR codes, paki-check na lang po mabuti. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo sumali sa ating promotion, raffle ng free reading, all you just need to do is to report those fake accounts, ayan, and then screenshot nyo po yung report ninyo, send it to the designated email para dun lang po ako bubunot ng winner, no? Kung hinahanap nyo po yung ibang readings, especially for those exes, if you still care about your ex, kung gusto nyo lang makimarites kung ano nangyayari sa kanila, nasa Facebook po yun, no? So, kung hindi nyo naman mahanap yung Facebook account, doon po sa question form, nandun po yung mga icons ng social medias. Click nyo lang yung icon na gusto nyo i-follow. Mas maganda kung lahat. Ayan. And then, ma-route na kayo dun directly. So, this is your reading, Capricorn. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.